Hello, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the second part of my recent watch drama list. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. So the first drama is Goblin, and our main lead, I can surely bet you have watched him already in the movie Train to Busan. He was the main lead in the movie Grim Reaper, Goblin, Yuntak, and Goblin's Bride. So I think you should watch the drama and know yourself what is this Goblin Bride. So the next drama is Descendants of the Sun. It's really amazing. The story of a soldier and a doctor. It's really amazing to watch. Their chemistry, their acting, and the visuals they have used in the drama, they are just like looking like real. Means the stitchings, the bloods, the everything is really very interesting and intense. Yeah, obviously there will be war scenes and more, so the drama is full of intenseness and that makes this drama more special. This drama is Accidentally in Love. So need to watch this drama because many of you are with a fan of this drama because of its strong acting, strong storyline. It's just awesome. It's funny, it is emotional, it is all about the beauty. It says that a girl's beauty doesn't only appear from its face or from its outside. The girl's beauty is from the inside, her qualities, her personality. But don't think it would be a very dramatic drama. No, it's really funny. So the next drama is Love and Redemption. This drama you have to watch. I think this drama is really underrated. I just love this drama to watch. So this drama is all about a girl who bonds without a sixth sense, and it is really interesting to watch. How she just started liking our main lead, our hero. Okay, our main lead is how she started liking her, how she started love her, how the relationship goes. It's really interesting to watch, right? Our Yoonji, okay, is our main lead. Okay, so don't get confused. Yoonji is the god of war. Okay, now what is this god of war? You have to watch this in drama. I want to introduce some of the characters which I feel like it is really important to introduce. So the first one which I want to introduce is Linglong. So Linglong is Yoonji's older sister. So I can relate with her more because she is an older sister and I am too. I have a younger sister from me. So it's really relatable with me and Linglong. Like it's a connection now. So Linglong's love stories is all with Little Six. So the next drama is Moon Lovers. So it is the Korean version of the Chinese drama. If you want, you can watch the Chinese drama too. I am watching the Korean one. Well, after this, I think I will watch the Chinese version too. So the next drama is Whirlwind Girl or Tornado Girl. Well, I will call this drama as Tornado Girl because it's too easy to pronounce it. So I will call it Tornado Girl. So Tornado Girl season 1 is like awesome and season 2 is like brilliant. So both the seasons are very nice. Second season is the continuation of the first season. It is all about the taekwondo competitions and all, fighting era. It's the fighting, yes, so don't think that it would be really boring. No, the fighting scenes are amazing, especially that girl's whirlwind kick. Oh my god, I just love that kick. I don't know why, but I just love Bai Chao's kick. So Bai Chao is our main lead and she has a best friend. Oh my god, I love her best friend. She is my favorite character in the drama. So the next drama is Perfect and Casual. So it is a really cute love story of a professor and a student. So obviously our professor is a cool, rude guy. A female mind is just like a normal girl. And there's that situation created that they should have to marry and a lot of things that you should watch in the drama only because they will feel like amazing. If I will say, you will not feel that much good vibes, but when you will see it, you are going to be amazed. But they eventually get a marriage contract and that would be really fun to watch, right? A marriage contract turns into a love contract, right? So it's really amazing to watch it. So that's for the video. So thank you for watching. So sorry I am putting this video very late because of my exam. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And if you're a person who likes to know about more new dramas, Korean dramas or K-pop or Chinese dramas or Thai dramas, if you love to know them, then subscribe my channel. I talk a lot about them. So comment with that which drama you're going to watch it, or you have watched in this list I have just said now. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone. Bye bye.